Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Creative Kanya. My name is Garima. On this channel we regularly make videos on DIY art and craft. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends as well. Okay. So let's talk about today's video. In today's video we are going to make a Lippan art. It is my first time when I'm trying to create a Lippan art, and for the Lippan art I'll be using an MDF base, which is something like this. It's an 8 mm base, good enough, and it is 8 inch. So to start with, I have not taken a very huge size, and let's see how it goes. I will start by drawing my design. I'm just using a compass here to draw circles. Use a protector in order to get the correct angles. As you can see, the design that I have chosen is not a perfect mandala kind of a design. So I have kept the central circle a little lower. Moving on, I am adding a base coat of acrylic white. I have made the first coat with a brush, but for the second coat I have used sponge for a more smoother look. As you can see here, if you have observed, this board does not have any design because I realized that I will have to redraw the design again after doing my white color. So this is something that you need to keep in mind when you do it for yourself. Using the same method I had showed earlier, I have made the design again. This is how it looks now. In the next step, I will be pasting all my mirrors. What I had done was I had made the design for the mirrors, took a picture, and now I am referring it in order to paste the mirrors. And this is how it looks after adding all the mirrors. I will go further and add some clay. I'm using Fevicryl Mould It clay here. What I will do is I will take the two compounds and mix them thoroughly. You can use talcum powder while mixing so that the clay does not stick to your hands. So molded clay has a drying time of 1 hour. But within half an hour it starts hardening up, and what happens is it becomes difficult to work with it. So I would suggest that mix very small quantities and work in smaller quantities. Besides, this kind of thin work does not use a lot of clay. So just mix small quantities and work in smaller parts. And this is how it looks after completing the clay work. Post the clay work, I will be doing a coat of white paint over the clay work as well. Cleaning the mirror with a damp cloth in case there is some spill of white over the mirrors. Now I am adding a coat of cobalt blue in some of the areas. I later actually added Prussian blue, and I felt that the results were much better after adding some Prussian blue. Also, while coloring, I realized that I think I should have first colored the base and then did the clay work, because now it is becoming very difficult to keep the clay work white. So essentially after this I added white over the clay work again. So it is recommended the first step should be first to paint the board properly, do the clay work, and last you should do the mirror work so the mirrors remain clean. Adding some gold as my accent color in some of the areas, and I feel that once the gold was added, that's when it started shining very well. Guys, welcome back. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see how the final piece looks like. Look at this beauty. Isn't it beautiful? So let me tell you some story here. If you see this area, I had dropped some Prussian blue here, and that's the reason I ended up coloring this whole area with Prussian blue. Also later I decided that I want to add a little bit of Prussian blue here also, and I think the piece has come out really well after I added some Prussian blue. So yeah, you can try using indigo blue or a mix of cobalt blue and Prussian blue. And that is it from my side. Do let me know how you like the complete piece. I'm in love with it, and make sure you also try it out. It's a beautiful art. Thank you, and please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.